Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of project management with Notion. Let's jump in. Now that we've set up our workspace in Notion by creating a new page and dividing it into two columns, it's time to establish our main databases. We'll create one for projects and another for tasks. The ultimate aim? To efficiently divide each project into actionable tasks. Now that we've configured our project database with columns for timeline and status, let's focus on setting up our tasks database. Here, you have the flexibility to add tags to your tasks, making it easier to categorize them for efficient organization. Next, we'll create a checkbox feature to archive completed tasks, ensuring your workspace stays clutter-free. And for those keen on staying ahead of deadlines, we'll implement an automated formula to provide insights into overdue tasks. Let's dive right into it. You'll find all the formulas used, along with the template we're creating, conveniently located in the video description below, so be sure to check it out for easy reference as you follow along with us. With our tasks database set up, it's time to link it with our projects. This seamless integration ensures that every task is associated with its corresponding project, keeping everything organized and interconnected. Now that we've linked our tasks database, let's add the finishing touches to our project database. We'll include columns for a cover image providing visual context, a progress bar keeping track of project completion, and related tasks offering quick access to associated tasks. With our database columns in place, let's create a default template for our projects. This template will serve as the foundation for every new project, ensuring consistency and efficiency in your project management workflow. From the link of tasks database that we have copied before, we'll set up two views, one for completed tasks and another for uncompleted tasks, utilizing powerful filters to streamline our project management process. With our automated views in place, let's make some final adjustments to our properties and aesthetics. We'll arrange the properties for easy access and set a default icon for our project page, adding a personal touch to our workspace. To enhance our project overview, we'll create 2 display formulas, one to show the total related tasks and another to display the number of completed tasks. These formulas will provide quick insights into project progress and task completion status, keeping us on track and informed. With our setup complete, it's time to bring our project management system to life by adding some sample projects and tasks. These projects and tasks will serve as demonstrations, allowing us to see our system in action and understand how it all works together seamlessly. Before we proceed, let's ensure that each task is properly linked to its related project. This seamless connection will maintain organization and clarity within our workspace. Additionally, we'll add a progress bar column to track the advancement of each project, providing a visual representation of their status. Now that our projects and tasks are linked and our progress bar is in place, let's switch to the gallery view for a more visual representation. We'll also take a moment to adjust the properties displayed in the gallery view, optimizing our workspace for maximum efficiency. As we continue refining our workspace, let's move the tasks to the left to balance our layout. Once done, we'll repeat the process of adding different views, utilizing filters to customize our perspective. Follow along as we demonstrate each step, ensuring you can replicate the process seamlessly. Before we wrap up, let's enhance our project management system with a calendar view showcasing task due dates and a timeline view for project timelines. These visualizations will provide a comprehensive overview of our project schedule and ensure efficient planning and execution. As we take a quick look inside our project page, you can see how everything seamlessly integrates and works together. And with that, we've reached the end of today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful in setting up your own project management system in Notion. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips and tutorials. Until next time, stay productive.